the echoes ring true from the depths of the night where the heady hearts play. War rocking young souls find their voice on this day. And now, hard and heavy, hear the metal collide with a steel and fill loco, taking us for a ride. From school love to bondage, they're breaking the mold. In a world full of legends, the story unfolds. With lips on the lead and the wrist razor sharp, Davy and a Robb lighting up the dark from the new wave of metal. They carve the road back from the pounding drums and guitars. They ignite the aftermath. And through hard and heavy, hear the metal collide with a steel and fill loco, taking us for a ride. From school up to bondage, they're breaking the mold. In a world full of legends, the story unfolds. Lips on the lead and the wrist razor sharp, Davy and a Robb lighting up the dark from the new wave of metal. They carve the road path with pounding drums and guitars. They ignite the aftermath. Lips on the lead and the wrist razor sharp, Davy and a Robb lighting up the dark from the new wave of metal. They carve the road path from the pounding drums and guitars. They ignite the aftermath. And now, hard and heavy, hear the metal collide with a steel and fill loco, taking us for a ride. From AC/DC vibes to painted black cries, in a kingdom of sound where the spirit never dies. Jane, can you feel it rise? The heat of the night with thunder in the skies. Like bedroom games and hot child dreams, with echoes of the past wrapped in electric screams. So here's to Anvil with the heavy embrace, and a sea of hard rock, they carved out their place. These Canadian ravens with the wings spread wide, in the history of metal forever they'll glide. And through hard and heavy, hear the metal collide with a steel and fill loco, taking us for a ride. From school up to bondage, they're breaking the mold. In a world full of legends, the story unfolds. So crank up the volume, let the music ignite. For Anvil's got the spirit shining ever so bright. With hard and heavy magic, they'll never grow